Today we will talk about comparable interface. This will allow us to compare two different objects based on criteria we already decided, instead of compare them based on the location in memory they are residing. The benefit of this method is obvious. First, it will give us a flexible compression method. Second, many sorting algorithms today based on comparing objects. Let's begin. Let's say we want to compare two car objects, and see which of them are faster. So let's begin. For first, we will create new package, call it objects, right? And we will create our new class, call it car with capital C, and we create here two fields, private integer, call it speed, and one more, private string, call it name. Let's create our getters and setters, something simple, very simple, getters and setters. And we have two fields with all the getters and setters we need. Now, and the fun begins. Let's implement the comparable interface. Implements comparable of type car, our class, and we will implement the methods. Generate, implement methods, compare to. The logic here will need to be like this. Give it a moment. Let's call it car. Now, if our car, this means our class, is bigger than car, we will return a positive number. If this is equal to car, we will return 0. And if other car is faster than our car, we will return a negative number. So let's implement this. Let's remove this. Let's write it much cleaner. This get speed is smaller, bigger than car dot get speed. Let's make it inside of if return a positive number. Let's copy it, paste, and once again paste. Let's make it equal, return 0, and this is smaller. Smaller. We'll return a negative number. But we can simplify this. Let me show you how. We make return integer compare this not get speed and car get speed, and that's all. One line instead of many. Let's back to our main class. Let's create car object. Let's call it Fiat. And before we continue to create our cars and our objects, let's create a constructor inside this object for simplicity. Let's let IntelliJ make our constructor. Create constructor of speed and name. Let's begin. New car. Let's give it speed of 10 km per hour and call it Fiat, capital Fiat. Let's create new object called BMW with speed of 100 and BMW. Now let's compare the objects. We will create new variable of type integer, call it is faster, compare Fiat compared to BMW, and let's start the magic. If is faster equals 0, let's copy, past the cars are equal. Now second, if is faster equals 1, the Fiat is faster. And the last one, if is faster less than 0, is a negative number, the Fiat is slower. Let's run this project. Okay, let's and the Fiat is slower. And now let's make Fiat and BMW equal. Let's run the project. The cars are equal. Now let's make Fiat much more faster. Run it, and the Fiat is faster. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.